The reason why you should consider the career in cloud security. The very first reason I should tell you is there is a huge demand. Everything is changing with a rapid space, and professionals, those who are working in the IT or working in the cybersecurity, they are not capable of switching or shifting with the new technologies or the new skill set on every day. And that is why there are more fresh people, new people required with the fresh skill set. Free labs are available. So it's a limited kind of labs. It's not, when I say free, it's not unlimited free, but you can enroll yourself. It is free enough for you to get trained and be good at cloud computing. The other thing is the certification and the validation. All these cloud service providers are offering some kind of certifications. So you have free resources available. You can go ahead and without enrolling to any institution or paying the heavy amount, you can go ahead and enroll, set up a lab, learn, and then there is a demand in the market, you can get the job. If you try to understand in on-premise security and cloud infrastructure, there is a difference. It's in on-premise, it's your responsibility to secure everything. If there is a breach happening, if there is any loss of the data or anything is happening, it is your responsibility as an organization to secure. There are a huge upfront cost in terms of setting up the lab, setting up the data centers, and hiring the right skill set to maintain the on-premise security. While in the cloud, you can start the native cloud services. You can set up a website, you can set up, if you have a concept, you can start it in the cloud. Like right now, you can set up a machine in half an hour, you can set up a web application, or anything, the idea that you have, you can set up on cloud. It's easy to start. You do not have you do not need to start the invest a lot of money in buying the infrastructure, renting the place and all those stuff. It is just like that. If you have a skill set, if you have a machine, you can go to the cloud, you can rent those services in the amount that you required, and then you can start your business. More than 95% of the breach that happens, before I start explaining what is shared responsibility, let me help you understand this one fact. The 95% of the breach that is happening right now in the cloud is not happening because of the cloud service provider. It is happening because of the people who are using it.